clock at home, right? It is in the form of wall clocks, even in the form of mobile. You can check it also in your mobiles, and you can also have it in your hand, like watch, wrist clocks, and all those things are there. Okay, so actually all are the same basic ideas. Okay, everyone has, I mean, it has different fonts and everything, all those things. But the reason behind, the secret behind is that everything gives you the same time. Okay, if you are wearing if you are seeing the time in a wall clock, it will give the same time. If he is or she is seeing the time with the mobile clock, it also gives the same time. If it is both on the same track. Okay, so we are going to see the clock. What is inside the clock and how it has been learned, and all those things we are going to see. Okay, so this is a clock, children. Most probably in India we will try to have in the form of round shapes. You will have in the square, you will have in the rectangle shapes. That depends upon your things, but basic things will be all the clocks will have the same numbers and same the timings. Okay, that's not refers to the shapes and size also. Okay, if you have a bigger clock than this, you don't think that clock will have a different timings. No, and the clock is very small. You cannot tell them like, ma'am, this clock is very small, so the time will be very small. No, time is all same everywhere. Okay, children. So, children, if you just look it over here and just explain to you. In the clock, we always work with our hands. So this clock is also going to move with the hands. Okay, and if you see this hands, children, see one hand is a bit bigger. Okay, have you seen it? It is a mover. It is a mover, and the other hand is very small. Look at this, very small, and there will be one more thin hand which will move very fast like this. Can you guess the duration? And the first video was explaining. Yes, they are the seconds. They are the seconds. So I'll explain you. This short hand is used to show the hours. What is that, children? Very, very easy. Hours. And this long hand will be always rotating. Yeah. So that is nothing but your minutes. What is that? Minutes hand. Okay, children. So we have got two main hands in the clock. One is the short hand. The other is the long hand. Short hand is used to find out the hours, and the minute hand is used to, when the short hand is, the long hand is used to find out the minutes. Okay, children, you got it? Yeah. So, and if you see the numbers, it will be from 1 to 12. Okay, children, can you guess what? Which is the easiest table in the multiplication table? Don't say any one, but we cannot include one. Any other possibilities? Yes, it's the fifth table. Okay, so no, you need not have any you have to keep it in your memory. No, fifth table is very, very easy, and I know that everyone knows that fifth table, right? So fifth table is followed in the clock because everyone has to know easily, right? That is the reason they used it. Okay, so for example, it will be the clock. That is the long hand is at 12. It is the our hand is at 6. It is 6 o'clock. What is this? 6 o'clock. What is that? 6 o'clock. You will make it mark it as 6 o'clock. Okay, children, 6 o'clock. You can also make it like this, 6 o'clock. Okay. Now, when this long hand moves here, it will become 6, 5, 6, 10, 6, 15. Okay. Then 6, 20. See, keep counting of 5. Then 25. Then you have 30. See, children, when it reaches the 6, both hands are together. So it is half distance covered. So you call as half past 6. What is that? 6:30. You can call it as half past 6. It is not only for 6:30, children. Whenever you are completing that 6, this whenever it is crossing, the middle hand is crossing exactly on the 6, you call it as half past 7, half past 8, half past 9. This just crossed half of it. Just crossed half of it. And then 8:40, mid 40, then 45, then 50, then 55, then 60. Children, have you heard this word 60 earlier? Yes, you are right. When did I tell you? I told you 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so what I stated in the beginning, when this minute hand goes one round fully, it will take 1 hour. That is nothing but 60 minutes. Got it, children? See you in the next video. Bye, children.